Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. If you came into cryptocurrency to make life-changing money, you found the right channel. I'm going to help you. I'm going to keep you updated daily on the news that moves the markets, Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin setups and ideas to help you make some profits. Jumping right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin, all over the place. Previously, we were looking at this 17,200 level. Smashed it. So like we've been talking about for well over a month, 2 months, probably 2.5 months, conservative measured move target 18,800. I mean, you have to think that at some point, whether we pull back and retest 17,200 and then move higher, or we have more of a retracement, 18,800 is in the cards. All-time high up here, about 19,850 area. So you kind of have to ask yourself, eventually, Bitcoin's going to get to that level. I mean, we've got an amazing parabolic run happening right now. I mean, pullbacks are part of it. I mean, big pullbacks are part of it. Okay, we're going to talk about the fear and greed index. Big pullbacks are part of it. So this has to be something that you keep in mind. You know, overheating. Bitcoin's overheating. The RSI is extremely high. It's up here around 84. Stochastic is overbought. But I mean, this has happened previously on this run up last time to 20,000. So just keep in mind, like, you know, retracements are part of it. A lot of people are FOMOing into the market. A lot of people aren't really thinking. They're just thinking about greed and, you know, get rich quick, buy Bitcoin, right? Doesn't always work out that way. Most of us have been in this market for a while. We know buying the tops of these green candles can be painful, risky, you know, so just be smart about this. It's always better to buy on a pullback, right? Buy at support. So you just have to think along those lines at some point. Typically, Bitcoin doesn't break above major resistance levels on the first attempt. This person stated, when I joined the group last June, I asked for your advice. I only have $7,000 left. He lost $13,000 when he first got in crypto. Very common. Most people lose money when they come in this market because they buy the top. They FOMO in. As of today, I'm up 600% since then. 600%. You can see total value was crypto assets $42,000. Amazing gains in the trading group. Huge. This person stated my XRP bag is up $28,000 today. This person, last altcoin season, he made essentially $20,000. He went from $52,000 to $72,000. I mean, so that's what type of earnings potential that we see. Group is cheap. You pay for the group in a trade or two. If you want to join the trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net, for all the information. YFI, I gave this to you guys, 53% profits. I gave this to you in a video. 53% profits on YFI. YFII likes to follow YFI. So here's the setup I posted quite a few days ago. Probably about 11 days ago by the breakout, and it broke out to the upside, 40% quick gains on this pump. Now, 60% gains here. Huge gains in the trading group. After this breakout, you can see Bitcoin ran up, got rejected at about 17,800, and Bitcoin ran up, nailed that 18,450 target, really ran up about $24 above this level. We got this parabolic move to the upside. You know, as long as this parabola is intact, you just have to assume that the price continues until it doesn't. Okay. And then scammy Bitcoin price action came back down here, and it looks, I mean, it retested this bullish target down here, 17,200, retested right here, retested it. Buyers bought it right back up. So huge, crazy swings out of Bitcoin. Over leveraged longs and shorts got completely wrecked right there. Now, will this parabola hold? You know, it's all about to happen, baby. Like, I haven't gotten much sleep at all in the last couple days. You guys saw Origin Protocol, another hack. Like, there's so many hacks recently in this space. Like, you got people getting hacked. You've got these smart contracts getting hacked. You've got, you know, there's just so many scams in this space. Just remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. You can lend. Ledger has something new now where you can lend directly through Ledger Live and our partner Compound. So again, Compound, I think, has some upside over time. They have this partnership here with Ledger. I mean, Ledger obviously has had some issues as well, as far as they had a bunch of phone numbers get stolen, and people are getting these crazy text messages. You know, I talk to people who just get devastated. I had someone reach out and they're like, I had 0.7 Bitcoin. I thought I sent it to Ledger. Ledger asked me for my seed keys. It's gone. Never give your seed phrase to anybody else. Never, never, never. That's just like, here, take my wallet. Here, you can have everything I have. But Compound, Ledger, partnership, Compound, one to watch over time. When these alts take off, like we've got all of your altcoins are going to 10x. If you miss some of this Bitcoin moves, who cares? Like, these altcoins are all going to 10x. This person, Moon Overlord, he says, pretty soon it's going to be buy the right altcoin and change your entire family's lineage for 20 generations season. Altcoin season is so much more profitable than potentially what Bitcoin can do. Like, there's just smaller market caps. They're not as heavy. They move crazy. And so just remember that, let's say maybe you've made some poor choices, some bad decisions, you held some altcoins, you weren't in Bitcoin, you made some bad trades. All the altcoins, when we have a good altcoin season, they're all going to 10x on average. When that big altcoin season comes, after Bitcoin pulls back, after Bitcoin runs up potentially a lot higher than it is now, brings everybody in the market, they fall in love with the altcoins, they start buying altcoins, your altcoins are going to 10x, right? So don't get stressed. Imagine if you were this guy talking about missing Bitcoin moves. So to recap, he stated, Bitcoin has swung from $265 to $60 in less than a week. Useless as a store of value, seriously broken as even a transaction currency. And you know this guy sold, probably sold at $60. You just got to be patient with this market. It's emotionally taxing, right? And so you just have to have a patient approach. If you be smart, accumulate some of these altcoins, and I'm going to talk to you more about this later on in the video, and then just put it aside and you know, midterm hold these guys on huge, crazy pumps. Take profits. Blockfolio came out and stated in 2010, someone auctioned 10,000 Bitcoin for $50. After a half an hour, someone came back and said, I'll give you $20. $20 for 10,000 Bitcoin. Listen, we've all made trading mistakes in this market, but this person has to be sick right now. I bet you think they're telling any stories right now. Man, I had 10,000 Bitcoin, and I got $20 out of the deal. I bet they don't even bring it up ever. Warren Buffett has disclosed that the firm is withholding confidential information from its 13F. The last time Warren Buffett did this was in 2015 when Warren Buffett was building a position in Phillips 66. Yesterday, there were vague rumors that the firm was accumulating PayPal. Warren Buffett buying parts of PayPal, buying stock in PayPal, accumulating PayPal, clearly has to be because of their moves in cryptocurrency. Mexican billionaire Ricardo Salinas just put 10% of his $13 billion net worth in Bitcoin. Nobody wants to be first. Nobody wants to be last. The snowball gathers momentum. Giant snowball effect. Let's go. Bull run ready. On Coinbase now you can start earning algo with Coinbase Earn. So kind of a cool way to earn some extra crypto. Very bullish sign. Whenever, and I was talking to the group about this, whenever these exchanges are going to go down at the worst possible times. Binance, Coinbase, BitTrade, all of them. They're going to get hit with all these new members want to join. If you just depend on one exchange, you need to set up another exchange just in case. Coinbase goes down. This is always a bullish sign. This means there's just too many buyers, sellers. There's just too much. The difference between who you are and what you want to be is what you do. And you have a choice in life. Every single day you wake up, you become what you choose to do. I think that's one thing about cryptocurrency that I like, is you have the ability to change your life completely. And that's why we're all here. That's why we're all here. We had a couple of these bull flags on the 15-minute chart, and they were breaking out. These are over the past day or so. At 16,700, bull flag, boom, moved to the upside, obviously. Another one at 17,600. So you can zoom in. And then this one broke out, took off. You can zoom into these shorter term time frames. Here is what looked to be like an ascending triangle. You got some volume come in. Looks like it's trying to break to the downside. I mean, if this is your high, then this is your lower high. I mean, this is potentially a bearish sign. There's a lot of sellers taking profit. See this bright yellow line at 18,500. So keep that in mind. This gets a lot of people in trouble. And I know potentially 2017, everybody's calling for $100,000 Bitcoin. It's running up to 20,000. People are buying the top because of stories like this. Citibank analyst puts Bitcoin price prediction as high as $318,000. I think it's going to happen, but it doesn't mean you should FOMO into the top, right? The hardest thing to control is your emotions in this market, so keep that in mind. Bitcoin's market cap hits an all-time high, breaking the December 2017 record. Remember, there's obviously more Bitcoin now, so it doesn't have to hit the price levels it did back in 2017 because obviously more Bitcoin has been mined. But this is huge for cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, I mean, this is an amazing time to be in this market. We've been waiting for all of this. Right now, greed is at 91. People are greedy. Now, extreme greed. Remember, when Bitcoin ran up to 14,000, you got to about 95. So, I mean, is there more room for upside as far as the greed goes? But you always want to counter trade your emotions. This is Bitcoin dominance 30-minute chart, and you can see Bitcoin dominance skyrocketed. So this is not necessarily good for the altcoins for now. If you look, this is a very, very bullish chart pattern. This is the total altcoin market cap. You take every altcoin, you add it together, you got this double bottom, broke out, retested, boom, moved to the upside. I mean, just look at this. Altcoin market cap was $30 billion back here at the bottom in March. And now it's 192 billion, 185 billion potentially right now. So there's huge upside. And potentially we have this type of move coming over time. I mean, you're looking at all-time highs previous year, this altcoin season that we all dream about. We'll hit that number again, and these altcoins will take off. Now, when when this happens, good question. We want to see Bitcoin run up crazy, pull back in these altcoins. The money will just flow into the altcoins. So think about these altcoins you want to get into. You know, Ethereum is a solid coin. Larger caps, not going to move as easy. However, when Bitcoin dominance pulls back, Ethereum has been lagging behind Bitcoin. You have to think that it's got some upside behind it. Link's another good choice where, I mean, $20 is going to happen again. It's just a matter of, I mean, potentially a lot higher than $20, but let's take it level by level as that goes. So just look at some of these strong altcoins and start to think, okay, if Bitcoin pulls back, I mean, these are buying opportunities for these altcoins. This altcoin season's coming. We've got a bunch of news, events, halvings, mainnet launches, testnet launches, all happening in December. And so looking for a lot of altcoin movement over the course of the next 5 to 6 weeks, essentially. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.